Hello students, this is your computer class. Today also we will continue with chapter 8. Today's content is string operation, string formatting operator, built-in string functions and membership operator. First one is, what is a string? String is a data type in Python. It is used to handle array of characters. It is a combination of letters, numbers or special symbols. It is enclosed within single, double and triple quotes. Each character has its own unique codes. These are the example for string. It is given in single, double and triple quotes. Strings are immutable in Python. Next one we have is the string operators. The operators are concatenation, append, repeating, string slicing and stride slicing with string. First one is concatenation. Joining of two or more string is called concatenation. The plus operator is used to concatenate string. Let us see an example for concatenation. In this example, welcome plus Python is given. Using plus symbol, we can join two or more string. So the output will be welcome Python. Next one we have is the append string. Adding more string at the end of an existing string. The plus equal to operator is used to append a new string. Now look at this example. String 1 is given as welcome to. String 1 plus equal to learn Python. You print string 1, both the string will be joined. Now output will be welcome to learn Python. Next one we have is the repeating operator. Multiplication operator is used to repeat string. Repeating is used to display a string in multiple number of times. Let us see an example for repeating string. It is given as str1 is equal to welcome. Print str1 into 3. The output will be welcome will be printed 3 times. Next one is string slicing. Slice is a substring of a main string. Substring can be taken from the original string by using square brackets. This square bracket is the operator for slicing string. Let us see an example for slicing string. In this example, string is given as Tirukkural. For slicing a single character from a string, print str1 subscript 0 is given. The output will be 0th character T. Second one, slicing a subscript from index 0 to 4. Here you have to give the starting and the end value. So the output will be Tiru. Next one is entering string without beginning index. Next one is entering the string without the end index. Next is stride when slicing a string. In a slicing operator, you can specify a third argument as a stride, which refers to the number of characters to move forward. The default value of stride is 1. You can also use negative value as stride. Now we will see the example for string. That is, we saw what is string slicing and how to use this string slicing. Now next one is how to use extra third argument, which is called as stride. Now the string is given as welcome to learn Python. Print str1 10:16. So from here 10th element, that is LEARN, from 10 till 16, that will be printed. Next one is string 1 10:16:4, that is between these 10 and 16 you have a string. In that string fourth character will be printed, that is R. Next one is 10:16:2. 10 is from the first element, that is L. From here second element will be printed. So L E is the second element, A R is the second element. In that manner the value will be printed. Next one is print str1 colon 3 2:3. Here the starting value, end value is not given. The increment value is only given for you. From see here, first element W, then 3 element you have to count. 1 2 3 C, 1 2 3 E. In that manner, from the whole center, third element will be counted and it will be printed. See, WCEOENYO. This is the example for string slicing. One we have is string formatting operator. The string formatting operator is one of the most existing feature of Python. The formatting operator percentage is the symbol which we use to construct string, replacing part of the string with the data stored in variables. The syntax will be string to be displayed with percentage value 1 and percentage value 2. Percentage value 1 comma value 2. Then the example is given for you. Name is given Mark. Now they are going to join these two values. That is mainly percentage is used to converting process. In C language, the percentage D is used to convert your value into integer value. In the same manner, we are using the percentage symbol for converting the values. So name percentage S and Mark percentage D, percentage name comma Mark. So your output will be Rajarajan and Mark 98. These are the formatting characters which we use. Percentage C, percentage D, percentage S, percentage U, percentage O, percentage X, percentage E, percentage F and G. The different types of integers and character. Decimal values, the data type which we use, that is only given. Using that is when you want to convert one type of data value into another type, we make use of this formatting character. Next one is escape sequence in Python. What is this escape sequence? The escape sequence always start with backslash and it can be interrupted differently. For example, /n, that is new line, which is used to give a line break in between the text. Then /t. /t is to give a tab space between the string. So in this manner, we have different escape sequence available which are used in Python. One we have is membership operator. We have two membership operator, in and not in operator. This in and not in operator can be used with string to determine whether a string is present in another string. So only it is called as membership operator. See this example. First string 1 we are entering the string. String 2 is given as Chennai. Now using this membership operator, we are going to find out whether the string 2 is present in string 1 or not. That's understand? String 1 is the value which we are going to enter at the time of execution. If the entered value is Chennai, then the answer will be found.
in operator we are using. That is, Chennai is found in string 1. If you are not entering the string Chennai means you will get the answer as not found. That is not in operator. This is membership operator. This is for today's class. Remaining we'll see in the next class. Thank you.